Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ashok B. Malpani, working as a consultant cardiologist in BM Birla Heart Research Center for last 30 to 32 years. On the occasion of World Heart Day, I wish you all a happy, healthy and long-lasting heart. Follow the guidelines given by the doctors. Stay fit, stay healthy. I have been asked to speak to you about the pacemakers, which are the patients who require pacemaker and how the pacemaker works. So if I divide broadly, there are three classes of pacemakers. Pacemaker therapy for low heart rate, Brady-induced arrhythmia, pacemaker for high heart rate for those patients where there is a tachycardia, and pacemaker for those who have got a weak heart. The pumping capacity of the heart is reduced, and these are patients who develop heart failure. There is again a pacemaker for this. Before we decide about what is pacemaker, just let me explain. There is a natural pacemaker in the heart known as SA node, and it sends signals or impulse 70 to 100 each minute, and because of the impulse sent by this SA node, the heart pumps. But sometimes, because of the inherent disease of the SA node or a follow-up backup pacemaker known as AV node or the conduction system of the heart, if there occurs blockage in the system, the pulse rate decreases suddenly, it goes below 40-45, and in that case patient starts feeling dizzy, may even have a pre-syncope or syncope. These are the patients who requires pacemaker. The diseases are usually broadly known as either SA nodal disease known as sixth sinus syndrome or complete heart block or trifascicular block. So in this patient we implant a pacemaker. So this is an artificial pacemaker which gives signals every minute as per the rate set, and that's how the heart contracts and ejects blood to the whole body. Coming to the another type of pacemaker for tachyarrhythmias. These are the pacemakers where suddenly the heart rate becomes very fast. You might have seen a patient playing football or playing some competitive sports and suddenly fall unconscious and die. So these are the patients who develop ventricular tachycardia or ventricular fibrillation. So in this group of patients, we implant a pacemaker known as ICD, implantable cardiac defibrillator. This is a pacemaker which sends these diseases and suddenly gives a shock, and an irregular becomes suddenly regular. These are known as this is the pacemaker for tachyarrhythmias. Then there are another group of patients where they either had a heart attack, and because of the heart attack their pumping capacity of the heart is reduced, or they have got a disease of the heart muscles, because of which known as cardiomyopathy, the pumping capacity of the heart is reduced, and these are the patients who usually go for left ventricular failure and get repeated hospitalization. In this patient they usually develop left bundle branch block. So there is a dyssynchrony between the intraventricular septum and the posterolateral wall of the left ventricle. So in this patient we implant a third type of pacemaker known as CRT-P or CRT-D, whereas this dysynchronized IVS and posterior wall of the septum, we make them synchronized, and which in turn improves the ejection fraction of the patient, quality of life of the patient, and even the longevity of the patient. So this is my message: stay fit, stay healthy, and do regular exercises and have a healthy lifestyle each day. Thank you so much for your patience hearing.